Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you a fast and easy way to add animated lights to your costume using a circuit playground. NeoPixel lights are the coolest. You can get a rainbow of colors and also animations, and it's even more fun to use sensors to trigger the animations so your costume's interactive. There's lots of different types of NeoPixel strips you can choose, so you can pick the one that works the best with your costume. Check out the shop at Adafruit.com to get some ideas. Programming the lights is super easy with drag and drop blocks you can download onto your circuit playground. You can make up your own animations, or there's lots of code samples online. The quickest way to get up and running is to use a strip with alligator clips, though that's not always the sturdiest connection. There are lots more options available with Adafruit's bolt-on kit. Just strip the wires and screw them to the board. These NeoPixel Dots are my favorite. They're really great for costumes, and they give you a different look from the standard NeoPixel strips. They're also super sturdy, so they're not going to break on you at Comic-Con. One more tip. If you use the connector from the out end of the strip, the female connector, and attach that to the board, it makes it easy to use your circuit playground for more than one project. Just hook up the connector to the board, plug in the strip, and go. There are a ton of tutorials online to give you ideas. Once you go NeoPixel, you'll never go back. I can't wait to see the light-up costumes you guys make. Check out the detailed tutorial link in the video description. If you like this video, please click that like button, and if you want more, be sure to subscribe.